welcome to my channel. My name is Juliet, and today I'm going to be talking all about products. I want to start a product review Wednesday day. I'm not sure I'll be able to do product reviews every Wednesday because, I mean, how much products can a girl have? But I used to be a product junkie, but not anymore. So I kind of have like products that I have used before, and I kind of always go back to in case if I don't find new products that work for my hair. And yes, I kind of experiment a lot, but not too much, not too crazy with my natural hair because obviously I don't want to damage it in any way. So today's video is all about natural hair products that I'm currently using, and they're all affordable, nothing too expensive, that you can get right out of your local beauty shop, whether it's Target, wherever you are in the world. So whether it's Boots, whether it's Target, Walmart, anywhere you purchase natural hair products from. So yes, even online, you can get all the products online. So let me start off with my current shampoo and conditioner, and they are by Aviva. And if you've seen my 40 hair routine video, which is only using their products, then you see how these products reacted to my hair. I love them. I love how mildly scented they are because I am not a fan of fragrant products. They really irritate my nostrils. I don't know, that's just me. I'm really sensitive to smell. So I like products that are not really pungent, just like light, mild, or no smell at all. That's the kind of products I love. So with the shampoo is very moisturizing. It doesn't dry out my hair. And what I love the most about the conditioner is it leaves my hair looking shiny. I don't even have, the leave-in conditioner is in here, but yeah, that one is just amazing for detangling. And then this, I love pairing everything together. It's one of those brands that when you use both together, they kind of like, it does what it says. So yeah, it's also award-winning, so I definitely recommend it. I have a link in my description box where you can get this from. I also am affiliated with them, just putting that out there just in case. But all opinions are mine. As you can see in my 40 hair routine video, they do work for me. So it's not like I'm just selling these, no. Alright, so here's the next video. So the next natural hair products I'm currently using is the leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisturizer Jamaican Black Castor Oil range here. So I split it with my sister-in-law, so she has the container. So my half is in here. And this is honestly one of the best leave-in conditioners that I've used. The only problem I had with it was the smell. In every single product review video I'll be doing, I'll probably be talking about smell because the smell of a product is the make or break for me. If it's too pungent, even if it's great, I probably wouldn't use it after the first time I try it. So, except if I quickly camouflage it with another product that I'm using together with it or above it or something. But honestly, I'm just really sensitive to smell. So it's one of the best. That's why I'm talking about it. It's one of the best leave-in conditioners I've used because it defines my curls. It leaves my curls really moisturized. So I do recommend it. And then right now I use it alongside the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Jai Twisting Butter. I actually got this one. This is the second time I'm buying this product. So the first time I bought it, I was really astounded by the effects it had on my twist outs. My twists were so defined, it was crazy. And I kept thinking like I really wanted to get a good twisting butter, and I couldn't remember like which one worked for me. Eventually I remember this anyway, but it doesn't work the same. I'm honestly wondering if they changed the formula, but right now, if I use this to twist my hair, it just frizzes out. Like when I take the twist down, it's defined when it's like released the first time, but when I try to separate it, it's just like completely, frizzy. It doesn't have any hold anymore, nothing. But it does keep my hair soft and moisturized as well. It's quite thick. I like the smell of this. It's fragrant and it smells like, when I say flowers, it reminds me of a particular scented, it reminds me of a particular flower I used to have around like my school while growing up. So maybe because of that memory, it doesn't irritate me as much, but it is quite fragrant if you want to get this and you have a sensitive nostril. Then I use my DIY hot oil treatment the palm kernel oil, the coconut oil, and the neem oil to seal. I don't have it here right now. I don't know why I forgot that, but that's what I used to seal. Then when I'm taking down my hair, if I want some additional shine to my hair, I use my wonderful R&R. I love this shea oil. I have no idea. The last time I got shea oil, I was like mising it so much because I didn't want it to finish, and I think I wasn't in the location to get it again. So every time I get it, I like use very little because I love this so much. It's like using shea butter but without the oiliness of shea butter. So shea oil absorbs like 3 times as fast. So if you haven't tried shea oil, try from R&R. Try from R Luxury. Their shea oil is the bomb, and I know the owner as well. She's amazing. So yeah, this is straight from Ghana, and this works. So you can use it as a sealant, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, you can use it on your face, on your skin. It's great. So I do recommend this. Then yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, for during the week, what I use is I always talk about this product, Taliah Waajid Protective Mist Bodifier. I use it as a leave-in conditioning spray, and which is like the hair mist that I always recommend you guys to get. This is one of the few that I use. So I use that as a moisturizer spray. If I wanted to have a protein balance, I would use, where is this? Come on! I feel like someone's nicking my products because I did have everything here right now. Okay, so that's not here, but there's a protein one I use by Schwarzkopf, and I have reviewed that already in a previous video. I would write the names out of every single product that I mentioned in the description box. So please don't worry, oh, she's not showing us the product. But yeah, I will type out the name of every product that I mentioned in the description box below, and then you can Google it to search for where you can find it around your area. So another thing I'm currently loving is my jewelry. They're all from Aviva as well, like the same brand that makes these hair products. They make these really super nice jewelry. You can see this one. I don't know if that's really showing, but this one is a cross, and this one is just a nice bangle. Then my Superwoman necklace set. I love it. Everyone loves it. My younger brothers are like, what is this? They love it. So yeah, so that's something I'm currently using and loving. And then this scrunchie by Swirly Curly, yeah. So I will link this one in the description box as well. And then my Satin Body is by Effulgentia. And yeah, that's a summary of everything I'm using right now. And next month it could be different, it could be the same. If it is different, I will update you on it. So yes, so now you will be getting natural product reviews from me. So tag a friend, tag someone who wants to know about natural hair products that might work for their 4C hair type or type 4 hair type. So yeah, just for products that they like. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to live well, live great, pray always. God bless you. Take care, lovelies. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Why aren't you subscribing? Where are you going? Why aren't you subscribing? Hello?